A vast expanse that stretches beyond our imagination, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. It's a realm that has always beckoned to us, calling us to explore its mysteries. It's a place of wonder, mystery, and incredible danger. The vacuum of space is unforgiving, with no air to breathe and extreme temperatures that can freeze or burn in an instant. Yet, despite these challenges, humanity has always been drawn to the stars. Since the dawn of humanity, we've gazed up at the stars and dreamt of exploring the cosmos. Ancient civilizations built monuments aligned with celestial bodies, and early astronomers mapped the night sky, seeking to understand our place in the universe. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we finally developed the technology to turn that dream into a reality. The invention of the rocket, capable of escaping Earth's gravity, marked the beginning of a new era in human history. The space race, as it came to be known, was a time of intense competition and innovation. The United States and the Soviet Union, the two superpowers of the time, vied for supremacy in space exploration, each determined to outdo the other. The United States and the Soviet Union poured resources into developing rockets, spaceships, and the brave astronauts who would pilot them. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of what was possible, while astronauts underwent rigorous training to prepare for the unknown. Every launch was a gamble, every mission a testament to human courage and ingenuity. The Apollo missions, in particular, stand out as monumental achievements. From the first manned orbit of the Earth to the historic moon landing, these missions showcased the best of human determination and technological prowess. When Neil Armstrong took that first step onto the lunar surface and uttered the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," it was a moment that united the world in awe and wonder. Today, the legacy of those early pioneers lives on. Modern space missions continue to push the boundaries of exploration, from the International Space Station to the rovers exploring the surface of Mars. In 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong took one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind on the surface of the moon. This moment was broadcast live to millions of people around the globe, uniting humanity in a shared experience of wonder and achievement. The Apollo 11 mission was a triumph for the United States and a defining moment in human history. It represented the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and innovation by thousands of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. The mission's success was not just a victory for America, but a milestone for all of humanity, showcasing what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and work together. But it was just the beginning. Over the next few years, NASA launched several more Apollo missions, each one pushing the boundaries of human exploration further. These missions included Apollo 12, which conducted extensive scientific experiments, and Apollo 13, which, despite a near-catastrophic failure, demonstrated the resilience and problem-solving capabilities of the human spirit. Each mission brought new discoveries and insights, expanding our understanding of the moon and the broader cosmos. We learned more about the moon, about space travel, and about ourselves. The samples collected from the lunar surface provided invaluable information about the moon's composition and geological history. Each mission was a daring adventure, a testament to the human spirit's unquenchable thirst for knowledge and exploration. The bravery of the astronauts, the ingenuity of the engineers, and the support of countless individuals on the ground all contributed to these remarkable achievements. In April 1970, the world's attention turned once again to Cape Kennedy, Florida, where Apollo 13 stood ready for launch. The mission's objective to land on the moon for the third time, this time in a region called the Fra Mauro Highlands. Astronauts James Lovell, Fred Haise, and Jack Swigert, all seasoned veterans of spaceflight, were strapped into their seats atop the massive Saturn V rocket. Excitement crackled in the air as the countdown commenced. The world held its breath. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Apollo 13 was on its way to the moon. The first 2 days of the mission proceeded without a hitch, but 200,000 miles from Earth, disaster struck. An oxygen tank exploded, crippling the spacecraft. What was once a routine mission became a desperate fight for survival. "Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here," Commander Lovell calmly reported to Mission Control. Those now iconic words sent shockwaves through the room. The world watched and waited, hoping against hope for a miracle. Section 5, a race against time. With their oxygen supply dwindling, their power limited, and their spacecraft rapidly cooling, the crew of Apollo 13 faced an almost insurmountable challenge. Time was running out, every second counted. Back on Earth, the engineers and scientists at Mission Control worked tirelessly, racing against the clock to find a solution. The world held its breath. Could these brilliant minds on the ground find a way to bring their boys home? Section 6. Ingenuity and Innovation. Under immense pressure, the Apollo 13 team showed incredible ingenuity and resourcefulness. Using only the materials they had on hand, duct tape, plastic bags, cardboard, they improvised a makeshift air filter to keep the crew alive. Every ounce of fuel, every watt of power was meticulously conserved. The lunar module, originally intended for landing on the moon, became a lifeboat, providing shelter and life support for the stranded astronauts. Section 7. A sigh of relief, splashdown! After 4 agonizing days, the world watched with bated breath as the crippled Apollo 13 spacecraft re-entered Earth's atmosphere. With the heat shield weakened by the explosion, hold! A collective sigh of relief swept across the globe as the parachutes deployed and the capsule splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. Against all odds, the crew of Apollo 13 had made it home. Section 8. The Legacy of Apollo 13. Although Apollo 13 never fulfilled its original mission of landing on the moon, it became known as a successful failure. It showcased the incredible bravery of the astronauts and the unwavering dedication of the teams on the ground. The mission demonstrated the power of human ingenuity and the importance of teamwork in the face of adversity. Apollo 13 taught us that even in the darkest of moments, hope and innovation can prevail. Section 9. The Indomitable Spirit of Exploration. The story of Apollo 13 continues to inspire us today. It stands as a beacon of human resilience and determination, a tale that transcends the boundaries of time and space. It reminds us that space exploration is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to dream beyond the confines of our world. The challenges faced by the Apollo 13 crew were monumental, yet their resolve was unwavering, but the rewards are immeasurable. The view of Earth from space, the feeling of weightlessness, and the knowledge gained from these missions are priceless treasures. It pushes us to strive for greatness, to never give up, and to always push the boundaries of what is possible. The courage displayed by the astronauts and the ingenuity of the engineers on the ground serve as a powerful reminder of what we can achieve, and to always reach for the stars. The vastness of the universe calls to us, urging us to explore, to discover, and to understand our place within it. Apollo 13 is a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that resides within us all. It is a story of human endurance, of overcoming insurmountable odds, and of the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a story of courage, ingenuity, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. The collaboration between astronauts and engineers exemplifies the power of teamwork and innovation, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. It shows us that when we come together, we can achieve the extraordinary, turning what seems impossible into reality. And it reminds us that even in the face of failure, there is always hope. The Apollo 13 mission faced numerous setbacks, yet the perseverance and quick thinking of the team turned potential disaster into a triumphant return. We can achieve extraordinary things when we work together. The successful recovery of the Apollo 13 spacecraft is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collective effort. It is a story that continues to inspire generations, urging us to look to the stars and beyond.